Hello, welcome to my 7th C# game making tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn a little bit about sound effects. I have went ahead and downloaded a sound effect from, it's called Sci-Fi Computer or something like that. They're from freesfx.co.uk, or is it .co.uk anyway? Whatever it was, I can't remember. So yeah, whatever site that was, .com maybe. Go ahead and download any kind of sound effects. There's thousands of free ones online. It doesn't really matter what it was, that's just the one I downloaded. Doesn't really matter. However, once you download it, go and drag it into your project like before. Click on it and go to copy always. It will work with some sound files. If you go down and go to, we see here there's load, hang on, where is it? Load sound. Okay, so it's a Microsoft Sound Player class it's using, so any supported sound effect or file types that are supported by it, I'm not sure what they are, but you'll definitely be able to find them online, no problem. I would assume most of the common ones would work. So anyway, mine is in the .wav format. Now, first of all, what we need to do is we need to load the sound up in our init method. Now, you'll notice this is a different way around than sprite kind of thing. I don't know why I did that. Probably a mistake, but anyway, that's the way it is. So you can change that below if you want. It's not difficult to do. You just swap the parameters around. I'm keeping it the same just so as yours is the same as mine. So anyway, we want hit.wav. Now, where do we put this in? We want to do it whenever the paddle collision is true. So paddle 2 collision, then we want to play sound, and the sound is 1. Okay, oops. And then all we want to do is for paddle 1 collision, again in here, paste it and do that there. So let's run this and see what it is. This is probably going to be a very short tutorial. Okay, there we have it. And there you go, there's our sound effects working, and this is pretty much our game complete. Please feel free to change anything you want. I would recommend having a go at doing things like maybe making this game able to be played by 2 people at the same time, so have 2 players. So you could use other keys to control the other paddle. And I'm gonna stop this now because it's getting on my nerves. The sound. So yeah, whatever you want. Just have a go at changing it to make it your own, and you know, it's the best way for you to learn is to experiment yourself. I've taught you the basics of how to create a simple 2D Pong game in C# using the game engine provided, and I may create a few more tutorials using this game engine before going on to X and A, but you've got the drift of it, and I will maybe begin to create a slightly more advanced game next. So thanks for watching. I know this is a very short tutorial, but now you know how to create a very, very simple game in C#. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and check out my new website, tutorilla.com, and sign up there. Go check out the forums, stuff like that there. Thanks for watching, and check out my next video.